Welcome back to Azeem USA. If you've been treating Google Workspace like a basic digital filing cabinet, you are about to be left in the dust. The 2026 updates are officially here, and Google hasn't just updated their apps, they've built a fully autonomous AI ecosystem. From AI agents that do your work for you, to meeting notes that literally make decisions. Before we dive deep into this massive update, I want to give a huge shout out to our amazing community. If you find this video helpful, consider hitting that super thanks button below, dropping a super chat during our premieres, or clicking join to become a channel member for exclusive behind-the-scenes tech insights. Also, don't forget to use my referral link in the description below to get started with Google Workspace today. Let's talk about the biggest structural change. As of this year, Gemini is built directly into every business and enterprise plan. No separate add-on fee required. But the real game changer is Workspace Studio. You no longer need to know how to code to build automation. You can literally just type out what you want, and Gemini will build a custom AI agent to automate your workflows, like tracking invoices or triaging support tickets. And for developers, Google just opened up the Workspace MCP server, letting you securely connect AI agents to Gmail, Drive, and Calendar like never before. Moving on to Google Docs, say goodbye to typing the same AI prompts over and over. You can now set up to 1,000 persistent instructions. Tell Gemini once, always write my reports with 3 bullet points at the top and a professional tone, and it remembers it forever across all your documents. And if you hate data entry, Google Sheets just became your best friend. A new feature called Fill with Gemini understands what you're trying to do and populates data 9 times faster than doing it manually. Plus, instead of boring spreadsheets, you can now ask Sheets to build interactive dashboards and heat maps right on top of your data. Now, for communication, Google Meet has leveled up. Not only does it capture automated summaries and track decisions directly in the notes, but you can even use Take Notes for Me for in-person meetings or calls on Zoom and Teams using the Meet mobile app. And if you're on the go, Google Meet now supports Apple CarPlay for safe audio-only participation. If you make video content for work, Google Vids just got incredible. You can now upload your company logo to create fully custom branded AI avatars using the Nano Banana 2 model, and even generate custom background music using Google's Lyria 3. But with all this AI power, what about security? Google just launched the AI Control Center for Workspace admins. It gives businesses a single dashboard to monitor exactly how AI is accessing their data, preventing leaks and fighting off deepfakes. Plus, administrators can now require explicit consent from everyone before Gemini starts recording or transcribing a meeting. Google Workspace has officially transformed from a place where you do work to a platform that does the work with you. Are you using these new features yet? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching Azeem USA. If you want to support the channel, grab a membership, drop a super thanks, and be sure to use my referral link in the description below to upgrade your workspace. Keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.